In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to diversify your portfolio with cryptocurrencies, this guide is designed to help you get started efficiently and effectively. Let's dive in. First, you need to select a brokerage that supports the MetaTrader 5 platform. Choosing the right broker is crucial because not all brokers offer the same features or cryptocurrency options. So take your time browsing options like FP Markets, AvaTrade, or Deriv, which are known for offering Bitcoin trading services on MetaTrader 5. Next, you'll need to set up a trading account with your chosen broker. This could be a demo account if you want some practice first, or a live account if you're ready to trade with real money. Having a demo account is an excellent choice for beginners, as it lets you get comfortable with the trading environment without any risk. Once your account is set up, head over to your broker's website to download and install the MetaTrader 5 platform. This software is essential for executing trades and monitoring market activity, so ensure that it's installed correctly on your device. If you run into any installation issues, your broker's support team should be able to assist you. After installation, launch MetaTrader 5 and log in using the credentials provided by your broker. This step grants you access to the platform's tools and lets you start setting up your trading environment. Now, within MetaTrader 5, open the Market Watch window. This tool displays real-time market data, allowing you to keep track of available securities. Look for cryptocurrency symbols by searching for BTCUSD, which represents Bitcoin against the US dollar. Once you find it, add it to your watch list for easier access. In the Market Watch window, double-click or right-click on the Bitcoin symbol and select Chart. This will open a detailed trading chart where you can analyze price movements and trends before placing a trade. To initiate a trade, right-click on the chart or use the Tools menu to select New Order. This action will open an order window where you can specify the details of your trade. When setting up your order, first choose the Bitcoin pair as your symbol. Specify the volume, which is the size of your trade. It's crucial to consider how much risk you're willing to take before setting the volume. Additionally, you should set up stop loss and take profit levels. These are risk management tools that can help you limit potential losses and secure gains. A stop loss order automatically closes your position if the price moves unfavorably, while a take profit order locks in profits once your target price is reached. Choose the type of order you wish to enter. You can opt for market execution for immediate order fulfillment or a pending order if you prefer to set specific price conditions. Finally, decide whether to go long or short by clicking Buy to enter a long position or Sell to go short. Congratulations! You've placed your first Bitcoin trade on MetaTrader 5. By following these steps, you are now equipped to trade Bitcoin on MetaTrader 5. Remember, trading involves risks, so always conduct thorough research and practice sound money management. Happy trading!